Hello everyone, welcome to Skin Charm Studio. So what are your New Year's Eve plans? For those of you who have plans to go out, have a blast, get dressed up, I have got a cool eyeshadow hack for you. For this hack, all you need is micellar water, some earbuds and a Scotch tape. Let's first have a look at this hack and we'll come back and try it out. Whoa. So as you can see, I have already done up my base and now I am going to stick the Scotch tape. I hope this doesn't mess up my makeup. So first she put the Scotch tape over here. That looks really weird. I always wanted to do that. Anyhow, the hack is cool, no doubt about it, but it's not as easy as it is shown in the video. So you have to do some adjustments here and there but the micellar water trick is really good. So this is the look. Up close and personal. Really cool, glittery eyeshadow look for your New Year's Eve party. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the tutorial will be helpful for you. If you liked my video, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Until we meet again, it is bye from me.
Damn.